How do I divide the main compartment? Use DIY partitions to personalize your storage. 25-liter, shoulder bag and camera. Double cameras. Camera and drone. Camera, drone, and tripod. 35-liter, shoulder bag and camera. Double cameras. Camera and drone. Camera, drone, and slider. Partitions guidance. Before expansion, 1 camera and 2 lenses, shorter than 160 millimeters. After expansion, 1 camera and 2 lenses, shorter than 220 millimeters. Or DJI Mavic 3 Cinecombo. How do I use the front compartment? OneMo 2 supports both V-shape and H-shape expansion. V-shape expansion, suitable for daily shooting, storage gimbal, and more. H-shape expansion, satisfy temporary needs of a larger capacity. How do I grab the camera? 25-liter has 2 quick accesses to the right. 35-liter has 1 top access and 1 right access. How do I wear the bag comfortably? When using the chest strap, align the strap buckle opening with the loops of the 2 straps and push firmly. Then tighten or loosen the strap according to your needs. To remove the chest strap, just pull on the buckle. When using the waist strap, pass the U-shaped buckle through the hanging point at the bottom of the back panel. Press the buckle. Put the metal hanging ring on the hook, and then install the buckle on the other side. After fastening the buckle, adjust the strap to fit your body. To untie the buckle, press both sides of the buckle and push the metal ring down at the same time. Put down the webbing on the shoulder strap to make the backpack fit the body better. How do I store laptop? The laptop sleeve is designed with a padded divider so that you can store laptop and iPad separately. How do I use it on rainy days? OneMo 2 features a scratch-resistant, dirt-resistant, and splash-resistant surface that can be wiped down easily. Use the rain cover inside the front pocket for inclement weather. How do I use external straps? Fasten one end of the 2 straps on the hanging loops at the bottom and top of the backpack respectively. Place tripods, sleeping bags, and fasten the other end. How do I store AirTag? Find the AirTag label inside the backpack. There is a small opening nearby for storing an AirTag.